Matter on Deck Beach Junkies here. I got Mason and I got Ryland. We're back out here again. We are on a small pond in upstate New York. The weather looks right. We got activity on the surface already. We've been out here about 5 minutes just getting set up. Hopefully today's gonna be a good morning. We got about 3 hours of fish, so we're gonna make the best of it. Hopefully we start pounding into them pretty good. Beautiful, beautiful day. Overcast. Flat calm. We're just floating, enjoying, living life. I'm starting out with the Zoom fluke. That's gonna be my start out bait this morning. All the activity on top, I wanted to see if I can get him to chase a Zoom fluke. Might throw a popper. Little Senko action, spinner baits, chatter baits, and something else I really wanted to try here for a while. I'm going to do a drop shot punching rig, which I'm going to use on my bait caster. And I'm going to use it around weed lines. So yeah, we're all set up. We're out here, just waiting for it to get a little more light, and hopefully the fish start turning on. We'll be back. Alright guys, switched over to a topwater popper. I just caught one off video. My first cast with a popper. I didn't think I was gonna instantly get bit, so yeah, of course I didn't catch that video. Just a little guy, like a 2-pounder. Oh, I missed that one. It's another spot right there. Topwater bite seems to be on right now.
On like Donkey Kong.
Throwing this really tiny topwater popper. I was hoping I'd get some crappie on it. Usually crappie will hit topwater here.
Oh, you're trying to poke.
Well, pike will hit it too, but
yeah,
a lot of times you get a lot of crappie here on topwaters.
Unless if you use a bait rig. Top water.
Sun's just starting to come up. There's one.
That's a nice one. On the camera.
Fish on, boys. Feels like a decent one too. He inhaled that topwater.
I think it's in his mouth.
Oh,
That's a nice one.
decent one. Decent one. Not huge. Decent.
One thing that I forgot was the net.
Yeah, we do not have the net with us today, unfortunately. We have to be very careful about all this. But what I did bring today was a pair of pliers. Second fish of the day, a little 1.5-pounder. We'll let him go. He gone. Seems like the topwater bite is definitely on this morning.
So that's something that we should probably get.
Too bad we don't have. We don't have a buzz bait right now.
Oh my god, another one. Killing him on topwater, guys.
Oh my god. You should let us catch one.
Crushing him on topwaters. Crazy.
You should hook us.
Can't keep him off it.
It's another.
Another decent one. The pond has no shortage of bass in it.
No.
This side of the pond, generally, you're not going to get those 5-6 pounders that you can on the other side. But There is plenty of fish here to go around. Another one.
That's the first fish of the day. You're just stroking them.
That's crazy. Craziness.
Too bad you can't have the too much one.
You know the rules.
They know.
So that's something that we should probably. Can you just pick them up right at Walmart?
Yeah.
Too bad we don't.
For how much?
I don't know, like $4 or $5.
Too bad you don't have a buzz bait. You could probably catch them too.
If you have one of those little buzz frogs, like the ones that Mason has, those would work too. You can just buzz them across the top of the surface.
Yeah, I have 3 of them in my.
Oh, you didn't bring that bag aboard. I had it.
Another one.
Oh. That one in and back in the water. I'm gonna switch from Senko to spinner or chair.
Another bass on the popper. This is wild. Barely hooked that one. Another one.
Can I spin this spin bait or chatter bait?
Yeah, you know how to tie it. I've taught you. Right?
I don't think you have.
Oh, I have plenty of times. You just don't pay attention.
Right, you know how to do the fisherman knot?
Yeah, it's not
Oh,
good.
crap. Is that on your line?
Actually,
No, you're fine.
meeting the fisherman's knot, it worked for Jada's Herbert bass.
Something's wrong with my pole. Is my lines wrapped or what's going on here?
What do those vibrate?
No, they just rattle on top of the surface.
So those ones float, right?
Yeah.
So what you do is you want it down.
Yeah, you want to pull it down so it pops.
First, black and yellow.
Another one. This is crazy. This is crazy. Right in the weeds.
I'm definitely going to buy myself a pond.
Yeah,
I might just spend
that's another
$20
good one.
on that. For me.
Guys, I'm putting on a clinic right now with the topwater poppers. I'm going to have to switch the kids over to something different because they're not responding to a Senko too well. Come on, baby. Get out of there.
Helping us get around the pond.
Another one. We'll be back. There you go. Pike. Woo! Oh, he swallowed it too.
That's what the pliers are for.
Mason's hooked up. Nice one.
Not a bad one. Both.
Oh, that's a fat one. Fatty. Don't both flip them too hard.
Oh, we still got a Senko.
Nice catch. Good job.
First bass on the Senko.
Good thing I told you he was on your pole.
He would have been.
Oh, what the hell? Did you see that?
Yeah.
What was that?
That was a fish trying to swat at my jig. I just dropped it in the water.
Got that.
Nice fish, man. Good job. It's a good one. Let's get him back in.
Get
No,
on
let's put him in water.
Dang, he's fat.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Whoa. First bass.
Give me the net. It's a big one. You got a good hook set too. Ooh, that's a good one. Big smallie. They must be out deep today. They're coming in, boys. Coming in. Take your time. Another one just jumped over there. Take your time when you get to shore, okay? When you get into the boat, bring them over here. I'm gonna net them for you. Take your time. That looks like a big one.
He was like a big one.
He was out deep, huh?
Yes.
And I was just about, all I did was let it sit.
I did not know.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, careful,
Was it
careful,
that
careful,
fish?
careful, careful,
Where
careful,
is
careful.
that? It's still out.
I see it.
Oh, the net.
Oh no.
The net. Oh no. Oh, I need the net.
That's a nice one.
I need the net. It's sinking.
Oh no.
Somebody get the net. That's a fucking hog. What a mess. That's a big bass. Get that son of a bitch. Jesus Christ, that's a big one. Dude, this one's a tank. This is your new PB. That one's huge. That thing is like a fucking pig.
That's a largie, isn't it?
Yeah.
How heavy?
Look at the size of that one, guys. Here. We gotta get a picture of that too. Alright, try to stand up with it. That's gotta be at least a 6-pounder.